Neke atu I te onorau I ka āwhiro o te 28 ka whai I ngā mētara I tohua ki a rātou I ngā wā ōmua mō o rātou toa ki te mura o te ahi. Nā te roia Māori nei, nā David Stone, te korenga o nei Māori I whai I wā rātou mētara I rakorako ake, nōna e rangahau ana I ngā kōrero mō tōna tupuna tonu, kāri I whakawhiwhia ki āna mētara. Nō te rānei ka ki ake te ope kātua I roto I te wairua o kawa, ka hoatu nei mētara ki ngā whānau o nei I ka āwhiro, hei whakatikatika I tēnei hapa nui. Aneira a Regan Paranihi.
He tū whakahihi kia whakamānawa I ngā hoia o te 28.
Well, all I can say is it's about time.
E ai kia tā Bob Gillies ko te whai mētara he āhuatanga kaore ikite e ana pia.
They didn't know. They were just discharged and they thought they just had to carry on in civil life. And it wasn't until some celebration had to come on where you had to have our medals that they realised they needed the medals.
Kua roa a David Stone e rangahau ana I tēnei take, e pai ai te whai o ngā whānau I ngā mētara o rātou tūpuna I haere ki te pakanga.
We had to get birth certificates for kuia that didn't have any. Some of the names didn't match up because they changed it because they were young. They used uncles' names. It was one heck of an undertaking, but where there's a will, there's a way.
It's a moment of significance for them and we recognise that.
He hikoitanga I manahua mai e rua tau ki muri I te wā I kite a David Stone I tōna no tupuna kaore I whai mētara.
It was like a giant kawe mate, which is like a remembrance of those who have passed on. Because, you know, say for Koro Bomb, they were all gone. And you had wives come forward and, like I said, the children, the grandchildren, the nieces and nephews, everyone stopped to remember their loved one.
It also is a moment when we recognise great mana, the mana that they brought to themselves, the mana that they brought to their battalion, to our army, and of course to our nation.
Mātua rā, mā tēnei tua hangata, ka mau ia I ana mētara me te honore nui.
My medals are a passport. Whenever they call us to go to a centenary or a celebration, I have to put the medals on.
Ko te whai nei o te matalo, kia hahau I ngā whānau o ngā hoia o no rau 25 kia whiwhi I nei mētara. Regan Paranihi, Te Karere.